discuss fourth problem in your solution book. This is what the problem. A square prism, 35 mm sides of base and 60 mm axis length rest on HP. One of its edge of the base. Draw the projection of the prism when the axis is inclined to HP 45 degree and VP 30 degree. So in this problem we have to observe that it is a prism based problem, and here square is the plane and 35 mm is the side and the axis height is 60 mm, and it is a edge condition because they clearly mention one of its edge. And normal or locus method, it is a locus method because HP axis is inclined to HP as well as VP, axis inclined to both HP and VP, so that it is a locus method. First you have to draw XY line. X, VP, HP and Y. First you have to draw top view first of an given the square prism. So you have to draw the square with the top view and prism in the front view. Next go for the naming. So in the top it is just look like a square, so go for the naming. There are two faces, bottom face, that is the base, and top face. You have to name it differently. So in the bottom you have to name it A1, B1, C1, D1, and in the top you can name it A, B, C, D. So top face is visible, that's why A, B, C, D are the visible points. A visible, B visible, C visible, D visible. And similarly in the bottom again there is a A1, B1, C1, D1, but it is not visible, it is always invisible, so that write it in bracket A1, B1, C1 and D1. And one more axis is there at the center. Okay, so name it O and O1. So O is the top center and O1 is the bottom. So bottom is not visible, that's why written in the bracket, and O is visible. So it is a top view. And go for the front view. So project of an height, just take height. Okay, and go for the naming for the front view. Here O dash is not visible and O1 dash is also not visible. Write it in the bracket. And here A is visible if you see from here. So A is visible, A dash, and B dash not visible. And here B dash visible and C dash not visible. Similarly, A1 dash visible and B1 dash invisible. Here B1 dash visible, C1 dash not visible. This is D. Okay. So this is a naming of front view. So here always it's a A1, B1, C1. Here A, B, C, D. And always front view name it as a dash. That's why A dash, B dash, C dash. So second position is HP inclination 45 degree. So it's the first position, and second position HP inclination 45 degree. So this axis is inclined 45. So if axis inclination 45 degree, first we have to find out the base inclination, because to construct this in the second position we need a base inclination. So 90 here can be. So 90 minus this 45, it gives me 45. So base inclination is 45. So take 45 degree here. So this is the base 45. Okay. So I need to take the compass. We can take the compass and cut the arc. But here I don't have any big compass. That's why I am using this simple instrument to cut the arc distance. Okay. So take this distance from here. You just cut and take this distance, and here you can cut. Okay. Next you can take the height of this. So this is the height. Just take here and cut. Similarly, the same height here also same. You can cut. Okay. So next, either you can draw a perpendicular line, 90 degree line, or else you can use this and cut the cross line. From here you can cut like this. Axis. So it is an axis. This axis is also 45 degree because its given axis is 45. So here we got the base inclination. From that we got the axis inclination. So second position. This is here. If you go for the projecting towards bottom, you will get the front view. By using this scale, you just project. So after this, you just project this top view towards the right side, so that we will get the top view for second position. And these are the points. So we are going to observe from the top, so that this face is visible. This top face is visible, this bottom face is not visible. The bottom face means this edge is completely invisible, this edge. So first you have to write the visible faces. So visible faces are this is A is visible, and same thing, this is A visible, this is B visible, C visible, D visible. First join this. Okay. Similarly, this edge is visible. If you see from the top, this edge is visible. So the edge is A1 and D1. But this edge is not visible. So draw it in dotted line. That is B1, C1 in bracket, because it is not visible. And join D1 to D, visible edge. Join A to A1, visible edge. So this is a top view. Here you have to write the same thing, axis. This O is visible, but O1 is not visible. Write in bracket. So this is a second position of HP inclined to 45 degree. So this is a top view, and this is front. So in the third position, there is a VP inclination is 30 degree. I told it is a locus method because we can say this axis is 60 mm. The axis is 60 mm. For the same axis, if you measure here, it is reduced. It is reduced from 60 to somewhat. Okay. If you measure, it is around 42 mm. So it is reduced from 60 to 42. So in the first position it is 60 axis, but in second position it is 42. That's why you have to go with locus method in third position. Yes, you can draw first 30 degree. You can use the protractor and mark the 30 degree. You just draw one parallel line, and here still move. You can draw, no problem. So mark here and 30. So first draw 30 degree. Okay. So next take this. So take this. And from here we just cut that and draw horizontal line. That is locus line. And next take this axis length, and from here cut. And join. So this is become an O and O1. It is become a O and O1. And if you measure that angle, it is exactly beta angle 45 degree. For 30 degree, the beta angle is 45 degree. So next is just a reconstruction of this position to here. For that, you just go with either taking the arc, or else you can use the scale and protractor. You just use the scale, the distance of this, and from here the same distance, you just draw the line and go for the reconstruction. Or if you don't want, you can use this. Okay, so from here you take the distance, the same distance. So from here take the distance. So from here cut the distance. Similarly here and from here cut the distance. Next is so take this distance from here here the distance okay. So this is a A1 bracket B1 in bracket C1 and D1. This is A, B, C, D, and this is O, and this is O. And next thing is, after reconstructing, you have to go for the projecting upward, and as usual first you have to place A and A position. So A is here and A is here. This is called as A dash. Similarly D is here and D is here. And this has become D dash. Similarly, C is here, C is here, and this is C dash. B is here, and B is here. So B dash. dash, C dash, D dash. Okay. So A, B, C, D. We got the 4 points. Similarly, A1, B1, C1. So A1 is here, and here it's the A1. So here. So it is A1. B1 is here. So B1 is here. B1. And C1 is here. C1. C1 and D1 is here and D1. D1 dash, B1 dash, C1 dash, A1 dash. So these are the points what we got. So if you see from front, if you see from this front side, this bottom face is visible and this top face is not visible. Only this bottom face and the edges. So first you have to write the bottom face. First you join A. So A is here. A to B. So A to B you join. That A to B and join D. D1 dash, A1 dash, B1 dash and C1 dash. You got this view. Bottom face is visible. And here these edges are visible. Join A, D to D1 dash and A to A1 dash and B to B1 dash is visible. Then join this and also join this. So this is what the visible edges. But here some edges are there, but it is not visible. It is indicated by dot. So it is not visible, this edge. So this is a final view. Bottom face is visible, this face is not visible, that's why indicated in the dotted line. I have to show the arrow mark. And this is final third position with beta angle. This beta angle is 45 degrees, and you have to erase the extra. Yes, this is a final position. First position, second position and third position with locus method, beta angle of 45 degrees.